Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Google Pixel 2 phone case. Here's the Google Pixel 2. And here's how the phone case comes to you. I purchased mine from Amazon, so here's what they shipped it in. Nothing special. Go ahead, open it up. Here it is. It's a Spigen Pixel 2 thin fit case in black. The link up to this will be in my description. I've always loved their packaging. It just looks really nice. They have a good color scheme. I like the black and orange. I like their font. Great imaging as well, so really happy with this. Here's the number if you want to see it as well, but again, I'll have the affiliate link in my description for you to go ahead and check it out on Amazon for yourself. Shows you how to do the installation on the back. Looks like one corner, then the next corner, then the bottom two corners. So looks awesome. It just has a slim design for perfect grip, stable mounting, perfect protection. So really excited to go ahead and open it up. And I also believe, let's see, we'll open it first. So great packaging. Ooh, I like it. Yes, I thought it did. I also was going to say that I believe that it has this QNMP metal plate room in the back of this case as well. So if you want to use that to mount your smartphone to install in a car holder magnetically, that is what this is for. So that's really nice that they think about those sorts of things for us. The case is firm. It's harder plastic than I ever would have thought. I have another Spigen case right here for my current Google Pixel phone, and I'd say it's more flexible. So I already like that seems a lot more durable to really try to protect the phone. So if I set that there in case I need the instructions, here's my phone. Try to put it in that corner and that corner. Oops, I heard it. Let's try that again. Both those corners. There. So it snapped right in. Looks really good. I'm curious too, just to see how this goes long term, because again, this one feels softer and kind of comes around the edges. This one's a lot harder of a plastic. So how much durable, or how better durability wise will this phone hold up than the other one? So yeah, it looks really good. Really happy with it. Again, the link's in my video description, so feel free to go ahead, check it out. Really excited to start using this case so I can finally start using this phone. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.